Welcome to Tom, Tools on Amazon. Every day, we aim to inspire you with a series of unique and out-of-the-box tools and inventions. Ready to explore them all?
This machine mills out super thin aluminum blades, which helps dissipate heat effectively and finishes the job extremely quickly. Surprised? This pruning machine swishes a few times, the excess branches fly away, and the vineyard is neat and tidy in no time. Wow, this dump trailer lowers the side panels super fast, and any size vehicle can go up and down as light as nothing. This construction jack lifts heavy objects in a snap, no matter the wall or floor. This nail gun pins super fast, helping the assembly work to be completed in the blink of an eye. Amazing? This crane lifts a giant rock weighing tons as light as cotton. Really formidable. This concrete breaker breaks the hard ground like butter, done in the blink of an eye. This handheld saw glides a line, the wood is cut cleanly, and the construction is extremely fast. Watch and be surprised. This furrow plow cuts the soil neatly, creates deep furrows extremely quickly, and the fields and gardens are neat. This wood-cutting clamp grabs in one shot, trims and peels in the blink of an eye. So convenient. This paint sprayer sprays evenly and smoothly, making painting walls a piece of cake. This vacuum cleaner for concrete drilling handles wet dust cleanly, making the work neater and safer. This pattern welding machine creates exquisite lines like magic. It's amazing. This 13 HP diesel engine tiller plows fields at lightning speed, making everyone who sees it amazed. This concrete saw cuts through thick concrete blocks neatly. It's amazing. This dust removal system handles mud and dirt so effectively that it will surprise everyone. The sharpness of the chainsaw is extremely sensitive. The size is small, but the engine is incredibly powerful. This inclinometer, modern technology, is like magic, accurately measuring every angle. This suitcase-making machine turns the process into art, producing perfect suitcases. This Dongcheng DCJF22 cordless reciprocating saw cuts smoothly into all materials with extraordinary power. It is truly amazing. This construction iron bender turns stubborn iron bars into soft lines in a snap. This smart sink turns kitchen work into a modern and extremely convenient experience. This smart power bank integrates cutting-edge technology, quickly recharges.